Get ready to discover a hand-picked selection of innovative and stylish gadgets that'll transform your space into a tech-savvy haven you'll never want to leave. Don't fret, the storm clouds are all in good fun. This ethereal masterpiece, resembling a cloud gracefully suspended over a mirrored surface, has captured hearts and minds, even drawing the admiration of notable figures like Drake. So the cloud effortlessly hovers approximately 3 inches. With its sound-reactive LED lights, it dances to your favorite tunes, illuminating your space with a symphony of colors. Looking for something more intense? Then take a look at the Atomic Bomb resin diorama sculpture, an exclusive LED-lit masterpiece crafted with epoxy resin. It encapsulates the moment of a nuclear explosion with detailed miniatures and a warm ambient glow. Looks pretty apocalyptic. Check out this amazing flower. Can you believe it? It's actually moving. Just like a flower that blooms and closes with the sun, Solstice breathes. It expands at noon and contracts by 6 p.m. The clock face is made up of little wooden pieces connected with joints so they can move freely. In clock mode, it rotates every 12 hours like a regular clock, but in demo mode, it completes a mesmerizing cycle every minute. The best part? Solstice moves silently and it's super easy to put together. Maybe it's time to bring in more lights. This massive 8-foot wide by 6-foot tall black interactive art wall uses vibrant light pins on a backlit pegboard, transforming any space into an artistic haven. The package includes mounting clips, a power cable, and rainbow-colored rods. Ready to hang, easy to clean, and with a plug-and-play power setup, Lightzilla is the perfect addition to your home, rec room, or bar area. Get ready to put your accuracy to the test with the Spider 360. The cool electronic dartboard that's shaking things up. It's all about unwinding, showing off your coordination, and stirring up some friendly competition. Worldwide? Yep, your results will appear in the awesome leaderboard global ranking system, while the clever Mark Dart computer pushes your skills to the limit. Finally, with over 40-plus games and a camera right at the throw line, you'll have fun like never before. Who's taking my beer? This mini fridge and warmer will keep your food and drinks fresh and safe. It goes from cooling to heating with just a flip of the switch. All you need to do is set the temperature. Since it cools down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit and warms up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, you can store your lunch, drinks, beer, and even soup. The removable shelf adds extra storage points. The device includes a 12-volt car charger, so yeah, you can use it in your car too. Are you a travel enthusiast? Well, brace yourself for the ultimate wall accessory, the 3D colored wooden world map. It's not just an average map, it's a masterpiece that'll make your wall pop, quite literally. See that LED backlight? You can customize it and make it dance to the beats of your favorite music. And since it's magnetic, don't forget to hang your favorite shots. The package includes everything you need: ocean names, wooden planes, boats, a compass, double-sided tape, and corner stencils. Okay, the angle's nice. Let's improve the picture quality with the Jector Pro. Leveraging millimeter wave technology at a frequency of 30 gigahertz, this device offers a wireless connection with a range of up to 82 feet, promising exceptionally low latency for a superior user experience. Is the color green? Good. Despite its compact size, the Jector Pro can transmit an uncompressed full HD signal, providing high-quality visuals for your gaming or multimedia needs. Do you spend most of your time slouching at your PC? You need to take a look at the Awesome U Throne, a gaming chair that can also be your personal massage buddy. This thing's no joke. It's equipped with V-Hand massage tech that'll treat you to a top-tier massage while you're gaming or working. Aside from that, it's super comfy, boasting just the right amount of cushioning. You can adjust the height and the handles, pick one of 3 programs, and even crank up your favorite tunes. Where's the sheet with the notes? It's time to bring some order to your desktop. The Lamotte Magnetic Fixer 2.0 will help you with that. With its magnetic design, it's compatible with any desk pad and keeps all your essentials like your phone and office supplies in place. Aside from that, there are 3 built-in USB ports and cable holders on both sides of the mat. Furthermore, an NFC tag guarantees easy access to your digital world. You need some illumination? Here it is. Adjust the brightness. And yes, you can keep your notes right on the mat. Now you won't lose them. Thought of some unusual lighting in your room? Want to immerse yourself in the midst of hypnotic ocean waves and surreal northern lights? This kinetic installation with a rotating glass cylinder flings light flares around like a disco ball. There are several sizes to choose from, so if you're going to throw a party or transform your bedroom into a romantic wonderland, the biggest 32-foot cylinder will suit you best. With 16 colors at your fingertips, you can control the atmosphere. And here's something truly magnificent to decorate your room. It looks like an octopus holding a ball filled with water. In reality, it's an aquarium, but quite an unusual one. It comes with hundreds of tiny microbes called dinos. The best part is that they absorb sunlight during the day and then emit a beautiful glow at night. What's more, you can experiment with the microbes and create amazing effects. They can form bubbles, streaks, and even a mini vortex. You'll only need to feed the dinos once every 3 to 4 weeks. The instructions for the experiments are provided so you can feel like the lord of this little world. Oh, and if you're more into jellyfish, the jelly cylinder's got you covered. It includes everything you need, such as 3 sustainably raised moon jellyfish, their food, and a complete aquarium setup. Your jellies will be shipped express along with instructions to help you with setup, acclimation, and maintenance. Plus, jellyfish arts experts are available to assist you and make sure you become a true jellyfish guru. Holy moly, how do I clean all that with this tiny thing? Don't be fooled by the size of this vacuum. Weighing a mere 1.1 pounds, this handheld powerhouse generates incredible suction power to tackle dust, hair, and particles with ease. The vacuum comes with a multi-surface tool and a 2-in-1 brush nozzle, making cleaning an easy task. The full battery gives you up to 20 minutes of relentless cleaning. Afterwards, simply empty the 10-ounce dust cup and rinse the filter under tap water. Don't you enjoy sitting and sweating during those hot summer days? With a remarkable 12-speed setting range, this air fan takes air circulation to new heights. It spins from 0 to 95 degrees and tilts up and down from 0 to 90 degrees, offering unique air direction options. Without app support, manual control or the included remote are your only options. This air circulator claims a lofty 82-foot airflow at max power and less than 3 feet at its lowest setting. The best part? Its height is adjustable. Step aside magnets on the fridge, it's time for the Musin OTR Bluetooth speaker. Small yet cute, this darling sticks to your fridge like gum on a park bench and boasts an acoustic system you'll never expect from a device of that size. It's not just a speaker, it's a trip down memory lane with its old radio charm, Morse code beeps, and glowing dial. One-button operation and portability make this speaker your best pal for every occasion. Just pick the case and the band of the needed length. And now take a look at a harmonious blend of a cassette player, Bluetooth speaker, and a real tape. With its transparent design, stable performance, and compact size, it turns your classic boombox into a wireless music marvel. Do you like pixel art? Prepare to be wowed by Pixu64, your personalized 10.3-inch Wi-Fi pixel art display frame that's not just a pretty face. This vibrant 64 by 64 LED panel lights up your room while keeping you informed about your social media status, stock prices, gaming stats, and more. But here's where it gets even cooler. Download the Devoom app and dive into a gigantic gallery of animations that'll make your head spin. And hey, if you're feeling artsy, go ahead and unleash your inner Picasso with your fingertips. You can even transform your favorite image into pixel art. Oh gosh, which one to charge first? No worries, this compact 3-in-1 wireless charger can power up your phone, earbuds, and watch all at the same time. The real kicker? It has a smart coil that moves based on your phone's position for optimal charging. Plus, it has a handy night light and a mini charging display for those late-night power-ups. But hey, what if you've got more than 3 devices to power up? No worries. The E-Tank Gaming Power Strip has got your back. With its awesome 200-watt fast charging capability, it can juice up a whopping 7 devices all at once, making it an absolute must-have for hardcore gamers. And let's not forget about the immersive RGB lighting that sets the stage for an epic gaming session. Plus, the fire-resistant metal body not only adds a touch of style, but also keeps things safe and sound. Step into the mesmerizing world of the Infinity Mirror Light. Its parallel mirrors create an infinite series of reflections that stretch into eternity. With adjustable brightness and flashing speed, you can customize the ambiance to suit any room or occasion. Plus, the remote-controlled LED accent light offers 7 colors and 358 light effects, conjuring a cinematic atmosphere. Strap on your space boots and get ready to embark on an epic adventure through the quantum solar system. Utilizing magnetic levitation technology and NASA data, this interactive display showcases the real-time positions of planets. Witness the graceful orbits of miniature replica planets as they revolve around the illuminated sun, reflecting the intricacies of our solar system. You can dive into the past or future, observing planetary positions on any desired date, or you can speed up time to witness orbit evolution or create a tranquil ambiance by synchronizing planet movement. And here's another celestial body that you'll appreciate having on your desktop: a 3D printed moon replica capturing the actual imagery of the moon's surface. This magnificent creation defies gravity, floating and spinning in the air all on its own. But it's not just a moon. It's also a lamp featuring soft LEDs with 3 lighting modes: yellow, white, and gradient. And for those seeking a touch of cosmic magic, there's the Galaxy Lamp, showcasing millions of stars and the ethereal beauty of the Milky Way in the night sky.